Good afternoon, and thanks for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Friday, May the 15th, 2015. December corn found resistance just past that 386 level and then traded down the rest of the day, trading down as low as 379 and a quarter. It closed down 2 cents for a final closing price of 382 3/4. December corn had a 9 1/4 cent trading range, and that's the largest trading range we've seen on the December corn contract since March the 31st. And if you retrace that swing from March the 31st to the low we set earlier in the week on May the 12th, we've now retraced just past 25% of that decline. If we move on up and we hit that 403.5 level, that's going to be a 62% retracement, and we feel like we'll find some significant resistance at that point. Overhead resistance for December corn, 387, 394, and that 403 level. November beans up 2.5 cents yesterday, and now down 2.5 cents today. Today's pricing action can best be described as a outside reversal down day. Looking at 946 to 948 is a good level to keep an eye on. You've heard Brooks mention yesterday that 927 level as a mid-month low we've been looking for. We feel like if we break 927 before we get a close above 948, then there's a pretty strong chance we can move on down and test 915. Once you get past 915, next stop's going to be 890. July wheat, large up day yesterday, fairly quiet day or muted day today for July wheat. The contract found some resistance at that 521 level, with the high of the day being 519 3/4. July wheat contract, the stochastic indicator there is fast approaching overbought, and look for weather as well throughout the week next week to play a role in July wheat. You heard Brooks mention yesterday there's some developing concerns over the El Nino patterns, as well as some potential U.S. frost scares. Down 3 1/4 cents for the day for a final close of 511. July wheat has overhead resistance at 496, 521, and 542. We thank you for joining us today for the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. I hope you have a great weekend, and we look forward to talking to you on Monday. Thanks.